or bullish and bearish key levels using fair value gaps and order flow. So to kick things off, my triple X model, so I go through this every time. I'm going to quickly go through it. So the triple X model, simple trading is profitable trading, right? So you need to know where to trade from, what to look for, and why you're looking for it. So a key level needs to have an entry in the key level, and you use order flow to determine whether you want to go long or short. And so another way to look at this is you need a fair value gap, 1 to 2 fair value gaps per day. You want to look for a break to the up or downside from that fair value gap, and you look for a retest entry to go long or short with order flow. So again, we want to start every single trading session with a pre-market plan. So this was the 6th of October. So this is now basically 9 a.m. Eastern or 2 p.m. UK time. And we're looking at S&P 500 futures. Now, specifically, we're looking at ES futures, and we want to understand where our key levels are. And so if I just bring the charts up now, we're going to be understanding where this key level essentially was, right? So ES on the 15-minute time frame, this is what we're going to be breaking down, right? So coming into the pre-market session, right, this is what we're looking for, right? So the pre-market session, we had this 15-minute fair value gap just over here, right? So this was the 15-minute fair value gap. I'm going to zoom in so everyone can see this. So we always mark the candle before the fair value gap. So we're only looking for 1, maximum 2 fair value gaps per day to trade from, right? And so it's the same here, candle before the fair value gap. And we did have a fair value gap down here in a key level from last week. So these are my key levels, right? So notice how I have my key levels marked out before the session even starts, right? This will eliminate 90% of your losses. So a pre-market plan. So on ES, my pre-market plan is very simple, right? So you can see the levels resting over here. So 67.83 down to about 67.81, 67.80. Now, if we break below this level, this will be a supply area. I want to look for a short, which I didn't actually take, right? But we're going to be breaking down the trades I took, right? So this was the first trade I took at 10 a.m. Eastern, right? So I'm just going to break down this trades, right? So my entry was at 60, as you can see, 67.69, stopped